So maybe asking yourself, space heater, traditional HVAC furnace, what do I use? We have Jesse to kind of give us some answers. Jesse?
Yeah, well, Michael, let me start by saying there's no one-size-fits-all formula for the most cost-efficient way to bring the heat, right? I mean, that being said, there are several ways to evaluate your game plan and make sure that your bills aren't rising faster than your temperature. So, with space heaters, you want to keep an eye on how much energy it uses. The economics of this comes down to the wattage of your space heater, the efficiency of your heating system, and your utility rate. So, for example, your average space heater runs about 1,500 watts. Running that for 6 hours per day for 30 days will cost you roughly $30 to $35. Now, if you run it for 10 hours per day, and we're paying approximately $60 then for about 30 days of that, right? So whether that makes sense for you depends primarily on the size of your house and the temperature you're looking to keep it at. Yet Bob Hawkins, he specializes in HVAC for CDL Electric, he reminds us that electric space heaters do pose their risks. And while they can work well when we're in between seasons, they're not designed to be a primary source of heat.
The problem with the electric space heaters is they don't have all the safeties designed into them to shut themselves off if something is wrong. So to just plug one in, turn it on, leave, you may come back to a burned down house. If you're going to use them, check the cord periodically. If the cord's getting hot, you have a problem.
At the same time, proper use of a well-designed space heater can be a nice way to complement your main heating system when you want to give it a minute to breathe. The Department of Energy says dialing back your thermostat, Michael, 7 to 10 degrees for 8 hours a day. That'll save you as much as 10% annually on heating and cooling. So we're going to throw some great resources that we found from the Department of Energy on our morning show page. They have a calculator that can actually help you sort of figure out what is the most economical option in order to get through this winter season.
All right, Jesse, good math, my man. Greatly appreciate it. Once now, you can check that out at KOEMnewsnow.com. Health Watch right after this.